Hello viewer, I welcome you to a report sheet or card generator template. When you purchase this package, it comes with two Excel templates. One is the template where you enter the details of the students or the pupils, their scores, and then the second sheet is where the result is automatically populated and display, and then from there you can print. Now this is how your Excel template will look like, the first sheet. And before we go further, this, when you look down, you will see here at the bottom, you will see tools. When you tap tools, you will see other options there, and then you will see mobile view. The next menu is share. This is where you can share either to their email, either to their WhatsApp. Now let's get down to the main template itself. You can see the name of the student at the top, and then next to it, when you scroll, you will see subject. This is where you enter subject. This is the cell for subject. So here we have agric science, where you have basic science. So maybe here you can put computer. Any other subject that your school is offering, you enter them into this column up, that column with yellow background at the top there as I'm scrolling. Then here is where you enter the name of each student in the class. So what you do as a school owner when you purchase this package is to share this template with each class teacher. And then what each class teacher does is to open the Excel file and enter their pupils' names and the score. That is basically what you are to do. You are not doing any other thing uh, other than that. Basically, enter their pupils' names, enter the score. CA, you can see this 40% is for CA, 60% is for CA. If you are the type that do two different CA, you can add up the total for each student, their score, and put it under the CA. Then the exam is 60, the total is 100. So that's how it is. You go on like that, and then you come, if you scroll like this to the end of it, you will see total. That's the total score for each student. And then you will see subject offered, number of subjects offered, and then you will see student average. So these cells, you don't need to do anything to them. They are automatically going to be populated. Okay, so once you enter the score, the CA score, the exam score, and then the number of time present, you enter it here, and you get that from your daily attendance register from the school, and then you put your comment here, and then the head teacher put his comment here. So let me just show you how to edit this cell. Very simple. There's no rocket science about it. So if you are using device like I'm doing now, you just double tap this cell. Once you double tap, go down, you can see down the name is showing at the bottom. You can see Olukunle Olaolu, and you can see the keyboard showing. So if the name is different, you just delete this one and type the name of your own student in the class. Then this one here, the same thing for this cell. Once you come under the CA, which is 40, you just double tap it again or tap it, and then it will show you that it's 35. So all you need to do is to change this and put the one that the student scored. The same thing under the exam. So once you update those two, the total is automatically updated. You don't need to do anything about it. So if you tap it, it will tell you that it is protected, and then you just tap cancel on that pop-up box. So that's all you will do here. Okay, so once you are done inputting all the names of the student in your class and also their score, and also you have filled the subject column head. The next thing you do is to move to the next the sheet. Okay, so is to move to the sheet. So you just tap any cell up so that the menu at the top can show. So this is the first sheet, which is data page. The next one is report page. Okay, so I tap it. If I tap on that report page, it will bring you here. So you can see what will appear. So you just update it like that. That's all you need to do. If you want to change the school name, you just tap the cell and then double tap. Once you double tap, it will to show you the names. You can change the name. You want to change the school motto, you want to change the school address, the same thing. That's all you need to do about updating the information here, basically. So other information will be automatically populated from the data page. So the student name, you put it. The student number of subject, you put it. Then class, you put the class, if it's GSS1, if it's GSS2, if it's primary. Average score for the term, it will be automatically filled up. Term. So those are the things you just need to do. Edit here, basically, and then you scroll down. Other things are also automatically filled in the. You see the teacher's comment, you see the head teacher's comment. Once you fill those comments on the data page, the template I just showed you before, they will be automatically filled here. Next, school resumption date, you fill them. Signature, you fill them. So basically, so you can tap this and move it to the next, to where you want it to be. So basically, it's a simple template, and you can generate as many report sheet as possible for the number of pupils that you have in your school. Each teacher will just keep on generating report sheet for each of them, and you can share, just as I showed you earlier. You see the share button at the bottom. You can share it online, you can share it via WhatsApp, you can share via email, and you can print it. It's going to be printed, uh, come out in PDF format so that they cannot change or edit it. So basically, this is how the report card template works. Very simple to use. You can update it on your phone. You can do it on your laptop. So I would advise that you use it on laptop, because all the features of the Excel or the Google Sheet will show clearly, and you'll be able to edit it properly. I mean, all the features will show, all the menus, all the tools that you need will show more and better on laptop than on mobile device. So I will advise that you use laptop to do your editing and all that, and from there you can print. If you want to print, you can print. Like I said, if you look at the bottom, you will see a number of menu at the bottom. Okay, so let's, for example, if you want to change the color, you can see the alphabet, the color. You can see if you want to shade any area, you can see merge and all that. So those are the menu options on the device. But when you use laptop, they are more than this. So if you tap on this tool, let's assume you are using device, it will also show you this option. So this is bold, italics, then this is underline. So this is color. I want to change the color of the text and all that. These are the options that are available to you. These are options available to you. You want to delete cell, you want to fill, you want to format, but I advise you not to do anything to most of the column and the cell, because they already have uh, formula that have been programmed into them. In fact, some of the columns are protected already. You may not be able to edit it at all. So these are also options These are also options. You want to print, for example, from your phone, you can print. That's if your phone is linked to your printer. But like I said, I advise you that you do your editing on using laptop. That will make it come out better. You can do a whole lot when you use laptop. So I hope you understand how this report sheet template work now. Very simple, very easy. No difficulty about it at all. It works simply with Excel. So once you purchase it, the file will be sent to you. You just open the file on your laptop, and then the first page you work on is the data page. The second page is the report card page. Very simple to use, and like I've shown you, it's very easy. Just enter the name of your student or pupils in each classes, enter their CA score, enter their exam score, and then the total, the average, the number of subjects will be automatically generated, and then you move to the report card page, and then you edit the name of the schools and other details, and you are done with the report card for each of the students. So you can save for each of the students and then generate send or share or save in Google Drive. You can save them in Google Drive so that you can easily access them at any point in time. Thank you very much. I hope you understand this short videos on how to use our Excel report sheet template. Thank you very much.